Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're learning Chinese, you know Pinyin is the foundation for everything. But even if you think you've mastered it, there are some tricky sounds that trip up even advanced learners. So today, we're putting your Pinyin skills to the test with a quick 3-question quiz. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Question number 1. How do you correctly pronounce the Pinyin Q? Is it A, like the CH in cheese? Or is it B, like the CH in batch? Think carefully. The Q sound in Mandarin is one of the most common mistakes for English speakers. Okay, got your answer. The correct answer is A. It's an aspirated sound made with the tip of your tongue pressed against the back of your bottom teeth. You push out a puff of air. For example, in the word for 7, T, did you get it right? Let's move on to question 2. This one is about the vowel. We see it in words like lu for green or un for female. My question is, which of these Pinyin syllables does not use the sound, even though the 2 dots are not written? Is it a ru or is it B, ju? This is a classic Pinyin rule that can be a bit confusing. Take a moment. Ready? The correct answer is a ru. Remember the rule. When J, Q, X, and Y meet the sound, the 2 dots are removed. So ru is actually pronounced J. The syllable ju uses the regular U sound. Alright, time for our final and toughest question. Question number 3. How do you pronounce the Pinyin ri, as in the word for sun, ruz? Is it A, a sound similar to the R in the English word right? Or is it B, a sound more like the S in the English word pleasure? This one is notoriously difficult. Think about the shape of your mouth and where your tongue goes. Okay, lock in your answer. The correct answer is B. The ri sound in Mandarin is very unique. Your tongue is curled back, but it doesn't touch the roof of your mouth. And you vibrate your vocal cords, creating that Essen pleasure kind of sound is so. How did you do? Did you get all 3 correct? Let me know your score in the comments below. If you found this quiz helpful or challenging, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want more fun lessons and quizzes to boost your Chinese, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.